Want to start a YouTube channel in 2026 but don't know what equipment you need? Here's everything you need, all under $50 and all available on Amazon right now. Number 1. A USB microphone. Good audio is the single most important factor in YouTube success. Viewers will forgive bad video, but never bad audio. Amazon Basics has a great USB microphone for under $25 that sounds incredibly professional. Number 2. A ring light. Lighting makes a massive difference to your video quality. A simple ring light from Amazon Basics costs under $20 and instantly makes your videos look more professional. Number 3. A phone tripod. Shaky videos lose viewers fast. A simple phone tripod keeps your camera steady and costs under $15 on Amazon. Perfect for filming YouTube shorts. Number 4. A laptop stand. If you're creating content from your laptop, a simple stand improves your posture and camera angle instantly. Amazon Basics has great options under $25. Number 5. A webcam. If your phone camera isn't good enough, Amazon Basics webcams deliver crystal clear 1080p video for under $30. Plug and play, no setup needed. All 5 items are linked in the description below. Every single one is from Amazon Basics. Affordable, reliable, and perfect for beginners. Follow for more YouTube growth tips every week and comment below. Which item are you getting first?